Welcome to KOK Party Favors. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today we're going to be designing the water bottle label and we're going to be designing it in Photoshop. Our theme is going to be a mix between glow in the dark and roller skating. So I have my glow in the dark file pulled up. I'm going to pull in the file that I want to be my background. And I'm just going to pull it down here. And as I noted in an earlier video, whenever you see a lock on a file, before you can do anything with it, you're going to need to click on that lock and take it off, okay? At that point, you can drag the file into your design. I'm going to close that out now. And what I'm going to do is go File, Free Transform, and I'm going to resize this file so that our circles will be smaller. And I am just going to line it up. And another neat thing too is you can start the colors wherever you want. Just say if I want to have the purple and orange kind of in the center, in the middle of the label, I'll probably start here. But you can start with whatever you want. Like at the top you see here, this blue and purple. You go up there, you have the orange, pink, and green. The next one you have the yellow and the black. So you can kind of start and stop it, whatever color you like. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. Now I want to pull a label in so I can put it in the center of the file. That's what I'm going to have my text on, this label. So I'm going to go to my labels. I'm going to pick this purple label. And I'm going to pull it down. And I'm going to just drag it over into my template design. I'm going to go Edit, Free Transform to size up my label. I want to make sure it fits really well onto my label. I want that when the labels are cut, that there is no problems with the top or bottom points on this label to be cut. So I want to make sure that all of my design is included. Okay, I have my vertical and horizontal lines here. That's letting me know that I am in the center of the label, both horizontal and vertically. Okay, so I hit enter. Now I want to highlight the label by putting some border around it. So I'm going to go to FX, stroke, and I want to add, I'll let yellow be my first color. The second color is going to be orange. You can see that it's inside and it's at 20. I'm going to go back. You see the yellow I have at 10 pixel. The orange is at 20. So each time I pick a color, I'm going to go up 10 in the number so that you can see it well. So the third color that I put in is the lime green, and I just pull colors from the design. So just say I want to go 4 colors and I want to pick the blue or I want to pick black. Blue is there now, but just say I want that to be black. I'll click on blue here and I'll go and hover my paint dropper over this black circle, and that will make the black on the inside here. But I like the blue in there, so I'm going to hover my paint dropper over the blue and get the blue back. And I can change the order of these colors in any way I want. Okay? The only important thing is remember to increase your numbers. The first color is 10, that's the yellow. Second color is 20, that's the orange. Third color is the lime green, that's 30. And the blue that's on the inside is at 40. So remember that, and all your colors will show up and they'll be the same width. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. Now I want to add some text. So I'll go to the T, horizontal type tool, and I'm going to put let's glow. I think I want glow to be all caps. Let's glow, and then I'm going to put crazy. Okay, exclamation point. Okay, and that's going to give me the little theme that we're going to add on all of the party favors. It's going to be Let's Go Crazy. And we're going to change that color from black to yellow on the text. So what I'm going to do is go to FX, Color Overlay, and I am going to hit the white box, and I'm going to hover my paint dropper right over this yellow. It's like a golden yellow. I'm going to put it over that, and so that has changed the color there. So I'm going to hit OK. OK. Now I want to put the birthday person's name. Okay. So this is going to be Cassidy's 11th birthday. Okay. So we are going to center this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the size of this label a little bit so that we can get all our text in. I don't want the text to be that small. So I'm going to click back on this label, the layer right here for the label, and I'm going to go Edit, Free Transform. And I am going to hold my Shift key and this box here, and I'm going to widen it. Okay, that's enough. Okay. And I am going to change the size of the font in this line only. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click the T for text, and I'm going to highlight just the second line, and I'm going to take it down to 16. Okay, so that fits perfectly right in the center of this label. And of course we're going to change the color from black to something that's more appealing. So what I'm going to do is hit the T for text, and Cassidy, I want to make it blue. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to my paint dropper, and I'm going to select blue. All the colors that we're using will also be up here as the most recent colors that we've used. Okay, and I'm going to put birthday in blue as well. And 11th, I'll put it as that yellow gold color. Okay, so we have Let's Go Crazy, Cassidy's 11th birthday. So now I want to add the roller skating part to it. So I want to find some roller skating elements that we can add to the label. So I'm going to go over to my Photoshop library, and I'm going to look for some roller skates. Okay, doesn't look like. Okay, under skating, let's click on that and see what we have. This is the skating file. Okay, we have some pretty roller skates here. Okay, let's click this one. right, and we're going to pull that down. And we're going to drag it over into our design. Well, we didn't want to go that time, so we're going to try it again. All right, there you go. Now we're going to go to Edit, Free Transform, and we're going to resize this skate. Shift and hold this corner. Remember I told you some machines are different. Some you don't have to hold shift at all. So just find out how your machine performs this resizing and do it accordingly. Because like I told you, what you want to do is be consistent in your design as far as the shape goes. Make sure that you keep your shape in proportion. And what I'm going to do with this skate is I am going to duplicate it. And what I'm going to do, this skate is on layer 3 here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag it down to this box where there's a plus. And I'm going to hover over that and release the button. Now up here lets me know that layer 3 has been copied. So what I do is click the left mouse on this skate here and drag it over. And the reason I did that is because it's going to be identical in size. I don't have to resize another skate. All I have to do is just use a copy of the one I've already sized. Okay. Now we're going to, let's see if there's anything else we want to add. I think that may be enough there. We'll just leave that like it is. So this is going to be our design for our water bottle label. And what I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to have this label printed. They print 4 to a page if you're going to print in landscape. They print 5 to a page if you're going to print in portrait. And I think the way I've done the template in my Etsy shop, and there will be a link below in the description if you want to purchase it. I think in the Photoshop template, it's in portrait format, and there are 5 labels on one 8.5 by 11 sheet. And in Canva, the design is in landscape, and I was only able to put 4 water bottle labels on that template. But what you would do is just print as many as you need, and with it being 4 and 5 to a page, you won't have to print so many pages because you have so many of the stickers that's going to be on one sheet. So guys, that's it for this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video where we will apply the label to the water bottle. I enjoyed and thank you guys so very much.